Yeah, guys, it's welcome back to the channel. It's Big Papa and it's Jamaican versions. And guys, you know how we do it. We play the international version. I'm gonna stop saying American version. We're gonna play an international version and then a Jamaican version. But something special for you today, guys. I'm gonna be playing three songs. Yes, that's three songs. The international version by Adele. Listen, this woman is a big artist. She doesn't deserve two. She deserves three. Two other persons to be singing, trying to dethrone her. So Adele, hello, and Conqueror, hello, and hello by Alaine. Conqueror and Alaine are gonna be doing the Jamaican version and then Adele version of that song. But here we go. And before we go any further, guys, remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, I need you to subscribe. Do not just view the video. Subscribe, okay? Hit that notification bell so as soon as a new video drop, you will be the first to see it. So, guys, here we go. Adele, hello.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to me to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles.
Yo, that doesn't tear my part anymore. But listen, you want him to be there, sitting, waiting for you? No, he has to move on. He has to make sure that his heart is okay. You know, he can't be sitting there waiting. You know, you're sorry. You're sorry. Come too late. You know, he has to move on. You know, that's the best way to mend a broken heart. Move on. Don't be sitting and waiting. Hey. But hey, just said hello.
Hello, how are you?
Doing fine.
It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you're well. Did you ever make it out of that town where nothing ever happened? It's no secret that the both of us are running out of time. So how from the other side, I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call you
Can bet, you know. I bet you, I bet anything, say. So this the man for next man, and then that man this her back. So now she's like, hello, how are you? Trying to appear concerned, but hey, that's how it goes, you know what I mean? She expect him to be waiting for her, and he's moving on. So that was Adele, hello. And then we're moving on to the next version of hello. So here we go. And remember, YouTube, I do not own no copyright to any of these songs. So let's go with um, the next Jamaican version. Yeah, so that was Adele with her original version of Hello. Now this is Alaine, a Jamaican singer, with her version of Hello. So here we go.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet to go over everything. They say that time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I tried.
Oh, listen, I'm telling you, this the man. Yeah, and the next, this the man and a man this year. I haven't seen the man this year. Because you call back your ex to find out if I'm alright. And then you can say at least you try, you call him 1,000 times. Why would you call your ex 1,000 times? Unless you never want to rally back. I really she want to rally back, you know. You understand me? But hey, listen, the man kind of move on. So keep on saying hello, hello. So let's listen to some more lines of Alaine's hello.
Tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. It clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you're well. Did you ever make it out of that town when nothing ever happened? It's no secret that the both of us are running out of time. So hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. It clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore.
You know, typical human being that diss someone and expect the person to be there waiting and not trying to move on. You know, you call 1,000 times and the person answer, just move on, you know, just move on. Well, that was a late version of Hello and nice reggae rhythm. So I'm gonna play the next version of that song. So here we go with the next version of Hello by Conqueror. So here we go with Conqueror and Rosie version of Hello, which the original song was done by Adele, and they did that song in the Solomon Island with this nice female singer by the name of Rosie, and so let's listen to this version of Hello.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to me to go over everything. They say that I'm supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much healing.
Yeah, you know, they keep waiting for the man to be there, waiting after they tear up his heart. So they expect him to be there waiting, you know. So I guess that's life.
Conqueror. Hello.
Hello, how are you? Well, it's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you well. Did you ever make it out of that time? Never, never have. It's no secret. Let the both of us run all the time.
Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times. Tell you sorry, everything that I've done, but I know you never seem to be wrong. Hello from the other side. At least I can say that I'm trying to tell you sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter clearly to tell you
Well, I'm gonna leave it there, and I must tell you, I like this. I like this version of the song. That young lady, she has a nice voice, and Conqueror reggae people, you don't know how he does it. His voice is so chill. He can just take any song and make it his own. So, as I said, Adele, hello. Adele did the original version, then I played the version by Alaine, a Jamaican singer, and then Conqueror along with Rosie doing the closing song. So, as I said, I'm going to leave it here. So, as I said, guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Remember, guys, do not just view. As soon as you open that video, hit that notification bell, please. Okay? Thank you, guys. This is Big Papa signing out.